Hello, good evening, guy. How are you doing? My name is Adeda from Michael Sunday, and by God's grace, I'm the CEO of the Leading Web Design Limited. And we are ranking as number two in Google My Business, and by God's grace, we are ranking as number one in Google front page as the best web design company in Ibadan. Yeah, um, I welcome you guys to my web design tutorial. And in this tutorial, here is what we are going to be learning about. We're going to be learning how to build a multi-vendor e-commerce website. And a multi-vendor e-commerce website is a website like Jumia, a website whereby that specifies on selling a product where other people can come and register with the website and start selling their product on the same site, and the owner of the site will be collecting commission. So what do we need to build this site? We need a theme and a plugin. So which theme are we going to be using? We're going to be using Astra theme. And what are the plugins that we need to design this website? These are the major plugins we need to design this website. And parameter, you want to contact me, you can actually contact me on 09035382271 or my email or my website. So without wasting much of our time, let's go to this website. Let's go to this website and start the installation. This is the front end of the website, so you guys can see the site is empty. It's nothing. Can you see? And the first thing we're going to do is to come to our appearance and come to theme. So when you come to theme, you're going to see the theme here. And as a beginner, you need to click on add new to add a new theme. And don't forget, I tell you that you're going to be using Astra theme. So just type Astra, A-S-C-R-A. So once type it, it's going to bring it. This is it. So in your own case, it's going to bring a store. Now, if you look at this, you are seeing a store. So when you click on Astra, so it's going to bring a store. But because I've installed this theme, so all I need to do is to click on activate. Now, after I activate my theme, the next thing is going to bring a pop-up. Anytime you install Astra to your website, it's going to bring a pop-up, and the pop-up is what we call starter template. Can you see? Now, what is starter template? Starter template is like a garden where we have different templates. It's like a house where we have different templates that you can use to build your website. And we have a template that for e-commerce, for business, for ebook, anything you want, any website you want to build, we have a template for it. So the starter template is like a branch that have all these templates inside inside the starter template. So what we need to do now is you need to click on get started. When you click on this get started, it will automatically install the starter template for you. So what I need to do is just to click on it now. So when I click on it, it's going to activate the starter template for me. And by activating this starter template, I will have the opportunity to now go and select the template I want to use to design my website. Now, once you install the starter template, it's going to show you this video. Can you see all this video? Mind you, if you are using a mobile phone, yes, it's possible you can use the mobile phone to design a website. In case you don't know, you can check my YouTube channel, The Leading Web Design Limited. You will see The Leading Web Design. You will see how to design a website with a mobile phone. Now, if you are using mobile phone, you will need to scroll down. But in case you did not see this thing, put your mobile phone into desktop mode. And how you can do that is to come to this three dotted line, and you see desktop mode in your mobile phone. You will see desktop mode here. So now, but if you are using laptop, what you need to do is this is what you will see. You just need to scroll down, and once you scroll down, you see build your website. Now click on it. Now when you click on it, it's going to take you to this page whereby you're going to select your page builder. Now, what is page builder? Like the name is like, is something you use, is a plugin that you can use to build your web page. Don't forget that in a website, we have different type of web page. Now, each web page, you need a page builder to help you to build your web page. Now, we have several type of web page. We have WordPress default web page builder. We have Elementor. We have Beaver builder. We have Divi, and Divi is the most premium. I think it's the most premium, most expensive premium page builder, followed by Elementor. But in this tutorial, we don't want anything. Everything we're going to be using in this tutorial is free of charge. So what we are going to be using for this particular training is Elementor. So we need to click on your Elementor. That this is what I want to use. So click on it. when you click on it, the most common thing that you guys will have is that it's not showing anything. Can you see? I want to pick a template, it's not showing anything. You have two options. The first option is either you can come here and refresh, or you click on this S. Any one you want to do. Let me refresh, and you will see that the template will come out. I hope you are getting it. Can you see that the templates are coming out a little by little now? So these are the two things you need to do. Now, like I said, we want to build an e-commerce. So let me just go to my e-commerce section so that I won't be wasting much of our time. And in this tutorial, I want to make use of digital products. Though in my concurrent video, I will still do another video that will talk about physical products. But in this in this video tutorial, I want to make use of digital products like ebook. Don't forget, digital products can be ebook, can be audio like podcast, can be video tutorial, can be, I think those are the major digital products. So anything we cannot see, anything you are selling that you cannot see, like ebook, online training, stuff like that, they are digital products. So that is the kind of website we want to build. That is the kind of e-commerce website we want to build. So what do we need to do? Let's search for a template that has a digital product. This another one, but I don't like this. Let me look for another one. Maybe I can see another one. Okay. Yeah, I've seen this. I think this. I've seen someone who used this. Let me also use this. So this is a digital product also. It's a bookstore. So let's click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to ask you, okay, do you want to input your logo? If you want to put your logo here, just click on upload file here. But in most cases, and we advise people don't do anything, just wait for it to load and you click on skip and continue. Can you see? Skip and continue, just click on it. So, but I think it's loaded, so let's wait for it to load. Now, can you see this thing has changed to blue now? So, we click on, all we need to do is to click on skip and continue. Now, it's going to ask you, do you want to change the color? To me, I don't believe you have a taste for color. You can come here and just try them out and do anyone you want to use. But I'll go by the default color. So, what I need to do is just to scroll down, and it also asks you, do you want to use any font? If you like any font, pick it. But to me, I will go by default font, and I'll click on continue. Now it's going to ask you, okay, just one more step. Now you just need to tell us about yourself. Maybe the reason why they used to ask this thing, in case if you are a beginner, so that they can keep sending you some tips on how to build stuff. But I'm going to tell them, no, I don't want that. I'll just click on submit and build my web page. So it's going to install everything I need. Can you see? It's going to install all the things I require, all the plugin, all the form, and everything about this website. It's going to install it for me. So all I need to do is just to wait for a couple of minutes. In most time, it doesn't take more than 1 minute, 2 minutes. So let me just pause this video and wait for the few minutes it's going to take to load. Guys, can you see? They are greeting us and say, wow, guy, come on, your website is ready. Now, can you see? It took just 49 seconds to build. Can you see? Now, all you need to do is they are telling you, come on, guys, view your website. Now, click on view your website. Now, when you click on view your website, it's going to load your website. And the next thing now is to start editing, and which I'm going to show you. Though I may not really spend much time. Can you see? Now, can you see this? Your website is looking nice and attractive and stuff like that. Why this is the default? Let me refresh this and let me show you something. Now, can you see now? It's showing nice and stuff like that. Now, without wasting much of our time, this is a website. We have our website now. The next thing we need to do is to start editing and to start doing some other things. Now, if you want to edit your website, don't forget we're going to be using Elementor to edit our website, and I'm just going to show you how to edit few section of it. Don't forget, I won't be editing everything because I don't want this video to be long. But in case you want to know how to use Elementor or anything, you can check my video on how to use Elementor on my YouTube. Just come to, let me open this YouTube channel down and maybe we will talk about this. I just want to make this. Now, are you with me? Now I want to show you my YouTube channel before we move forward. Now, in case you want to learn, my YouTube channel is Delivery Web Design. You can just type in and I see Delivery Web Design. By God's grace, please and please, I need your help. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I pray the Lord will be with you. Now, you can just come to my playlist. If you come to my playlist, I have a video on how to design a website with your mobile phone. You can check it out. It's going to be of help to you. And you can come to my web design tutorial. You're going to see a lot of video tutorial on how you can build a website with Elementor. And if you are into SEO, maybe you want to know how to rank first, you can come here and check our SEO complete course. So now let's go back to our editing. Now we have our website. All we need to do is to edit and to change anything you want to change. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to come here and click on open in a new tab rather, so that by the time I'm doing my editing in this place, I'll be seeing what I'm doing in this place. So let's go through the editing section. Though don't forget, I won't be able to finish the editing section, but I will just show you the major thing you need to know as far as this training is all about. So let's wait for Elementor to load. Now this is it. Now the first thing you need to do is that when you open your Elementor, you need to be very, very conscious about this thing. This thing is telling you about the navigation. It's telling you that in this particular home page, we have different sections. This is section 1, section 2, section 3. And what I mean by section is from here to this place, all like this, they are section 1. This is another section 2 again. This is another section 2. And this is another section. I hope you are seeing it like that. So we have like about 6 sections, but I don't like working with sections. So what I need to do is just to click on close. Now immediately you close it. Now Elementor is very, very easy to use. You can just drag and drop and stuff like that. So I can just come here and say latest book. Or let me just say latest product. Okay, let's say latest books. And I can just come here and say get a copy of my digital product, or get your let me reason what to use. Now I said your number 1 store for digital product. Now let us agree you don't like this look too big to you. You can just come to this style, and when you come to this style, you can come to see test color. I love the test color. Like I said, I'm not changing. If you want to change the test color, you can go there and change it. And now we want to change the front side. Let's assume it looks so big to you. You can just come here and just change the size. Can you see? I think this is okay. And if you want the light eye, maybe you want the light eye to be, stuff like this. Anyhow you want it, okay, this is perfect. Let us make it anyhow you want it. You can just do something, just play around with this particular place, and maybe you want the stairs to be in the center, and put it in the center, or to be in this place, stuff like that, to be this, to be this. I will leave it by default. Now you can just put anything. Let's see. Let me pause it. Now, guys, see what I wrote here. That's the thing. As a web designer, you must know how to write a content for your client, because most of the time they will tell you don't have a content, and you must, as a web designer, you must be able to think about something that you're going to write for your client. Now, you can just get the best digital product at an affordable price with free shipping. Everybody likes free shipping and stuff like that. And mind you, anything you are doing, just make sure you update. So when you update and you come to your back end and you come to the front end there and you refresh, sorry. So when you refresh here, you're going to see the changes are taking place. Can you see your number 1 store for digital products? So you can get the best, stuff like that. Now, you need to come here. Let me just show you how to edit the button. This is the button. You can just come here and just put a link here and say buy now. You just type store. So which means you are linking it to your store. Okay, we have not created our store yet. So let me just leave that for now. I will come and let me just say put it sample, I can just say contact us. Either you put it to contact us or about us. About us. About us. Or you can just say learn more. So the learn more will take them to where they can know about us. And you direct them to about author. Can you see this is about author? Once you type the page, the name of the page, and the page is on your website, so don't worry, it will pop up. So since it pop up, since you are typing about us, that is, can you see? I want to talk about the about. So can you see it pop up? I click on it. So there is the link, or probably just write the name of the website slash the name of the page. That is all. So and I'll click on update. Later, I want to change this picture. I just come here and but mind you, when you want to change your picture to maybe to your own product picture, just come here and look at the size of the image. I love to give out the best design, so I make sure I resize my image to the perfect image. So I'll just come to my media library. Now, when I come to my media library, can you see this image is 400 by 600 pixels? So make sure any image you want to install in that place is also 400 by 600 pixels. So I can just, let me just put, what can I put here? What can I put here? Let me check this out. Yeah, this is okay. Let me just put it there. So in case you have your own product store, just go to your file. If you are uploading your own product, just come here and go to upload file and you'll be able to upload your own. But because I'm not uploading anything, so I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to click on insert. Now, when I click on that, I'm going to scroll down and I'll click on save changes. Now, this section is just about our biography. Your biography is just about the author. This is about book website. I can just say, okay, I can just say deleting biography. Let me just say deleting biography. I can just tell you more. You can just tell us more about your biography. You can just say, okay, deleting is blah blah blah, and you put your image here, and you can put your read more. When your read more will go to your about us. So you know you are talking about the author. So you need to just link it to your about us page. So these are the basic things. Or if you are, or any page you feel like, but I think the most best place is just about the author. And you click on save changes. Now, if you have wrote any book, you can just come here and delete it and leave them. But if you don't like them, I'll just delete all this section. I don't like them. Now click on delete, 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 and this also delete. Now, and I'll click on save changes. So this is how you are going to be doing for every store, every designer. Like this place now is a video. You are expected to put a video at this background. Can you see? If you come to if you want to edit the background section, click on this place and you take it to this place and you come to style. You see that it is a video they put here. Now naturally this is an image, but because they have put this in here, they are expecting you to direct it to what? To a particular place where they can watch the video. Now you have two options to do. Either you click on this button and you put the link here, or you put the link in this background section. But the best I would advise is to put the link on this particular place. So let me just, for example, let me just copy one of my YouTube link and let me show you what I mean. Let me click on this. This is my latest video on how to I'll be showing you this video is going to help you to know how to discover a scam website. All those scammer people, you can discover their website easily. You watch that video. So I'll just click this way and paste the link here and update. So you can change anything you want to change here. Just change anything, and that is how. Now this is your YouTube video, and don't forget I've told you that one of the ways you need to do is that this is the image for the video. You just come, once you click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this place, and you put the link of the video at this particular section. And you also come to this place, also click on the image, put the link here. Come to this place, click on the image, put the link here. That is all you are going to, that is how to go about everything you want to do. Mind if you want to change this image, come to this place. Can you edit column? Come to this place because this image is a background image, and you come to your style. You see the image here, background. Oh, this is not this. Okay, I think I see. Wait, let me check this. Let me check. Okay, I thought it's a background image too. Let me check this. Okay, this is just this button they put in there, and all you need to do is that now, if I'm to put my okay, let's just say I want to edit this place, I will click on either this pencil or this particular play button, and I will come to the content here, and I will just put my own link. I'll just delete this, put my own link there, and come to another page. Also do the same thing. Now, by the time I put my link in this place, you come here again, put your link, come to this place also, put your link. So that is just how to go about that. And you can just come and say, okay, oh, this about this. You can change this text to the to anything you want to put here. Just change to the topic of the store and do the same thing here, do the same thing here also. So once you do anything, just make sure you click on save changes and you come to your front end to refresh also. And once you refresh in your front end, you see that the changes will be made. Can you see? The changes are made, and now if you click on this place and open in a new tab, it's going to take you to that my YouTube video tutorial on how to do all this kind of stuff. So that is just how to go about or putting your link and stuff like that. So let me close it back and go back to this place. I hope you get what I'm trying to explain. Yeah, guys, don't forget, I told you that this is a background image. Yeah, now let me show you where they hide this background image to. Now, this is a button. They only put a button in this place, and that is the button. That's why when you click on this place, it's going to show you this button. And when you come to this, your advanced, and you scroll down, and you come to background, can you see where they hide the image? So if you just want to change this image, just come to here, put your another image you want to do. Now in the same way, click on this place, and once you click on this place, it's gonna take you. It's also the same button, and you click on advanced, and you click on scroll down, come to background. You also see the same image here. So that is what they do, and the reason why they do is just so that this thing will take the same shape, and so that people will not know. Because if you put, for example, now let me show you something. If I put background here, let me just say I want to use background here, ordinary background here, and I come to this, like I click an image, and I just want to show you something. I'm going to delete the image. Let me say I want to use let me just use this, and so can you see how it look like? So it doesn't allow us to write our stuff. So it will be nice. That means our text will be sitting on this thing. So that is why they deleted this page. They deleted this page and make use of another advanced section. I hope you get it now. So by now, maybe if you have an audio, you can just put it and talk about the audio. Come here. You can just click on this place, upload the audio. Once you upload the audio, this is just come to this place. Link listen now. This listen now is just a button. This is the image of the audio, and you can just and the type of the audio. Now, if you want to upload your audio, I will advise you use either you do something. Make sure you upload that your audio on Google Drive and copy the link from Google Drive and come and paste it here. Because if you upload your audio straight to this place, it's going to affect the speed of your website, which I won't advise. I hope you're getting it. And if you want to upload it directly to your website, you will need to go back to your dashboard and come to your media and click on admin. And once you upload the stuff to your media, you can easily select file. So once you select the file, you click on select file to take it to your laptop where you can see the audio. So once you select the audio, it will load here. And let me just pick this. That is not. I just want to show you something. Now, once the thing has been uploaded successfully, now what you need to do is just, I say, copy URL. You just need to copy, if it is any, if it is song or anything, just copy the URL and come to your Elementor and paste the URL at this place listing now, and click this place and paste it there. Automatically you will be able to listen to the voice note, to the voice stuff. And I think I hope you get it like this. So that is how to link your, either you copy the link from Google Drive or you come and do the second option where you upload to your media option. So those are the way. And you copy the link here, copy the link here, and you title the name of the audio and stuff like that. And that is all about this site. So we are done with Elementor, the home page. We come back to this place and we refresh. And you click on virtual. So you refresh, you see everything about the site. So everything has been successfully done. So if you click on this, it's going to take you to my image. Can you see? Let me open it again. It's going to take you to my image. And so this is the image. But if it is the link of the song you posted, it's going to put the link there also. So that is how to go about that. And so I hope now if you want to also do, and this from this place downward is what we call the footer. Now either you can do something like this, either you come to your customization. But I want to show you something before I move forward to the e-commerce section of the thing. Now, can you see this book? It's talking about all the book you have written or stuff like that. If you want to edit your book, you need to come to this place and click on any page you want to edit. You click on the page and you click on edit with Elementor. If you want to edit this place also, you click on about author. So when you click on about author, you also click on edit with Elementor and open and start editing. That is how to go about it. And by now, I believe you should know how to edit all these things. Now, once you have done, now let's go to our e-commerce. How we're going to set our e-commerce store. I believe by now you should know how to edit your website and stuff like that. Now we're going to set up our e-commerce website. I believe you really enjoy this tutorial. If you really enjoyed this tutorial, please try to like the video and subscribe and share to your loved one. Now, what is WooCommerce? WooCommerce is a plugin that will allow you to carry out buying and selling on your website. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to come to your home, WooCommerce home, and let's do some setting. So I just want to come here and do some setting. So naturally by default, when you want to install WooCommerce, it's going to ask you, okay, what is your store details, stuff like that. You can just follow through and I walk you through on how to go about it. Now you can just, if you like, you can come here and put all your details here. Just okay, let me just type number 56 NTC. Okay, can I put? Let me put my normal Gmail. Let me just put data. Let me put my. Sorry, I want to change the Gmail before, but no problem. Now, Adela from Gmail.com. Now I click on get tips and products inspiration. If you like, I don't want that. And I click on continue. So when I click on continue, it's going to take me to the, can you build a better WooCommerce, get improved visual, blah blah blah. I just say no, don't count me. No, thanks. Now I'm going to move to the number 2 now. So what is it all about? Okay, it's all about it's not fashion, food and drink, education and learning. Yeah, education and learning. And I'll click on continue. And you're going to take me to the third aspect. Is it physical product? No, I said no. Because if you click on physical product, if you click on all these things, they are going to be charging you. Just click on downloading product and physical product. Those are the two things. If it is subscription or membership or booking, all this kind of one, they will charge you. But just click on these two and click on continue. Now, how many products do you plan to display? Let's okay. Let's see, how many products do you plan to display? Let's see, 1 to 100 is okay. Just say you'll be currently selling elsewhere. No. And click on Continue. Now they're going to recommend some free feature for you, but you can just keep the add recommended business feature to my site. I say no. Continue. Though if you like, you might not actually want to follow all this process. I'll just continue with my active tips. They say they have other active tips that they can use, but I'll just say they have other tips they want you to use, but I'll just say no. I have this. I'm okay with Astra. Guys, I'm set up with them now. Now the first thing we need to do now is that let's go to sorry, let's wait for this to load. Now it's load already, but I won't want to be following this procedure again. I'll just come to let's just come to setting, naturally setting. Now the setting has been done. In case if you don't want to follow that same procedure, you can just come to your command and come to setting straightforward. And I will ask you, you don't need all this thing, ship to all country. Yeah. If you have a limited country you want to set, you can just come and say, okay, I'm not selling to all country, I'm selling to some country. So you specify the country, or if you want to specify, you want to set some specified country. You want to specify the country you want to like. But I believe as a business owner, you will want to explore and set to all country. So shipping location, ship to all country also and stuff like that. If you want to enable tax, if you want to collect taxes and stuff like that, just click on enable tax and to be able to receive tax. Which currency do you want to be using? We're using Naira. I will click on save changes, but we didn't make any changes here, so we're gonna leave that alone. Now after that, you're gonna come to product. Now, if you come to this product, you're gonna see that we don't have any product yet. Now, but we ask us that, okay, our product, where do we want it to be coming to now? What we want to do is that we want our product, every product we upload to be coming to this shop page. And you add to cart button, redirect them. But let's leave all these things, let's leave them, nothing to do here, nothing. Shipping, yeah. If you have any setting, you can just play along with all these things. They're just easy. If you have any shipping country, fine, you can come and set it up here. But I don't really have any issue with that. If you have some shipping zone, maybe this is where you can ship your product to. And since you are shipping to all countries, you don't have a problem with that. Your payment, you can also come here and say, okay, what payment do you want? Now, I think this payment asset, yeah, this is where we need to work on some things. Now, as a business owner, I believe you want some things. Number one is that their method of payment do you want? That's okay. I want direct bank transfer. I want check payment. I want cash payment or stuff like that. But naturally, what I will do is that if you are selling some digital products, I want to accept. You can actually turn on this direct bank transfer, but I will just want us to try one of them, which is using your ATM. So if you want to use your ATM, will be like debit card, like people can pay online. Just come here and click on pay stack. I prefer pay stack, so I'm going to be picking pay stack because pay stack is what Africa use. Major online store that African use is almost African major. Sorry, the payment gateway that African use is Paystack. So I'm going to click on get started, and I'm going to wait for it to just load. Now once I click on get started, can you see it took me to this place? Now, okay, well, do you want Paystack? I will just okay, I want it enable Paystack. Now sometimes you just say okay, to avoid situation whereby bad network is like set your webhook URL here. You can actually click on here to set your webhook URL, but in most cases, I don't really fan of this, but I can just open it maybe if time permits us, because I don't want this video to be long. If time permits us, you can actually set the webhook here. But if you don't have the time, I think we are going to move forward and stuff like that. So now, maybe let me just log into my Paystack. Now I've logged into my URL. Now you come to now I've logged into my Paystack now. Now if you come to this your WooCommerce, can you see that to avoid in case, and the reason why they are giving you this one is that maybe you want to make a payment. Someone wants to make a payment on your website, and the payment, maybe the network is not that good. It's usually good for you to have a webhook so that they will be able to verify your transaction. And what is your webhook now? Just copy this link. copy this link, Control C, and come to your page tag. Once you come to your page tag, just come to your profile, you will see all these things. Okay, probably when you click on this link, when you click on this link, it automatically takes you to this page where you're going to log in, and you're going to put your web, can you see test webhook URL? Just put it here, and let's just leave that alone and click on save changes. I think, yeah, it's okay like that. So once you put it here, it automatically go ahead. This save changes. Just click on it, and it automatically save. Can you see it has been saved? Then you have done that. Then you come back to this page. Now let's say, do you want debit or credit card? Yes. Make payment using your okay. Or do you just leave them? Payment option, redirect or pop up. I want it to be pop up. I love that pop up. Now because this website, we just want to test it. We don't, if you want to, in your own case, you can put in your normal stuff, your life secret key here. But I want to test this thing. I don't want to put my own life secret key here. So I'll just come here and just say, okay, since I'm testing it, I will copy my test key. But if you, for the implication of this is that if you are using test key, make sure before your website come to live, as in before you start, uploading and talking about your website to your customer and stuff like that, make sure you change it to live. Because if you leave it to test key, people will buy your product and they will not pay any money because it is test. So I will tell you what I mean. I will just click on test key, and I will come in test public key. I will come and see this is test public key. I will paste it here. I will go and copy test secret key. Test secret key, this is it. Just copy it, and come to this place and paste it here. Now I will scroll down. Additional paste tag gateway. No, I don't want anything. I just click on save changes. If you want people to save their card, fine. If you don't want, fine. I'll click on save changes. Now, once you click on the reason why we are using test is because we enable it. If you don't want to use test, once you are done, just tick this. Can you see? They ask for live secret. Live is that the one that people will use their ATM to pay. But test is the one that you can just write you can just forge any test key, any ATM number, and it will work. That's why they call it test key. So once you're done with that, don't forget, you must make sure you change. Once you are done with the test mode and you see that it's working fine, come and disable it too, so that your money will not go. So once you're done with that, you can just come to email, new order, exactly like this. I think everything is okay. Integration. Now, since you have done with this, let's go back to our product. So I'm just going to upload only 3 products. Hope you understand me now. But I want to do something. Let me come to home. Okay, let me do that later. Don't let me do it now. Now let me come to my product. Now my product is my product, and I click on all products. Now I just want to show you some things in this. Can you see these are all the products? Can you see these are all the products? Now let me just view one for you. Let's view one. Sorry. Let me just open this in a new tab and let's see how it is. Oh God. I'm not editing. I just want to view. I just want to view it. View. Let me view it. Let me drag this to this place. Let me just drag this. So it won't be disturbing me. Now look at the product. Can you see? This is the product, and this is the description. This is the long description, and this is the short description. And now let's test out this key now. Let's just test it out and say, okay, add to cart. Can you see now? You can view your cart. And you can see I'm going to teach you how you can create a coupon code. And you can click. Can you see proceed to checkout? And you can see all this thing. Just input your details and stuff. I think that is all. Yeah. So let me just click on pay with my card. Make payment using your debit card. Let me just pay with my card. It's going to pop up the notification button. Now, the issue now is that if it is live secret key that I use, that means I will need to go and put in my ATM card. But with this one, I can just use any ATM card. Can you see ATM card? And I'll click on pay, and it automatically, can you see payment successful? So it will now take me to, can you see now, this is my checkout page. But naturally, there should be, since it's a digital product, there should be a place where I can download it. But because I've not created my product, I'm just using this one as a test running. So let's go back to create a product fast. What I'm going to do now is that I'm going to delete all these. I don't want that. I don't want them. Let me just click on this. Move to trash. Sorry guy. I don't need you. So go. Bye. Bye. Bye bye. So let's start from the beginning. Let me just open my website here. Or I'm thinking I should just download some product here. Let me click on this product, and I think I will just download them and make use of them. Why is this site loading? Jumia site is loading slow. Let me use my own. Delete it. And you see, in a couple of times now, my website loads faster. So actually, I'm using the premium plugin that enable me to load. And let me just assume let me download this image. Save image. Let me also save this image also. Yeah, let me just save product one. Let me save this image also. And product two. I think two products is enough. No, let me upload two images because of the Multivendor Ecommerce. Let me call this one product theory. So in your own case, make sure product theory. Make sure you have an image you want to use for your coding. So without wasting much of our time, so I'll just come here and think I want to create a new product. I've deleted all the product now, so I want to create a new product. So I'll just click on. Can you see it's telling you that paystack is paystack test mode is still enabled, so it's just trying to warn you. But let's forget about that. Let's show you how to create a product. You come to your product, click on add new, click on add new, click on add new. Let me click on add new. So now let's wait for it to load. So really click on add. What is the name of the first product I want to upload? Let me just see. What is the name of my first product? Let me just what is the name? Let's call it complete guide on how to run Facebook ad. Let me just call it Facebook ad course. Facebook ad course. Now, what is the short description? Let me just come to and copy short description here. Now, just come here and just say, let me just copy this short description. Control C. And I'll come to my admin product. I'll scroll down. I will paste it here. Control C. This is a short description, and you need to come here and say, okay, what product is a simple product? Is it a virtual product? Yes. And I'll click on this downloadable product. Yes. Now, by the time what is the regular price? Let me just say is 10,000 naira but sales price is now let's say 5k. I hope you're following. Now, what's the product link? So let me just copy the product link here and put it here. So product link, product link, product link. So how do you add your own product link? So if I were you, you can just come here and say, do I have any document on my phone? Okay, let's try. If you want to add your product link, just click on add file. Choose file. Let's choose the file from image. Click on choose file. If the file is here, fine. If it is not here, um if you have a book, you can come to your upload and do I have any book on my system? Book, do I have any document? Okay. Yeah, this is a family project. Okay, uh, let me just use this. Sorry, I used to do assignments for my people in school, so sorry about that. Now, this is the file. I've uploaded the file and I've just clicked on inside file URL. Now, this is the URL of the file. What is the file name? How to how to run Facebook ad course. Facebook ad course. Now, what about if it is a video tutorial you want to upload? You don't need to upload it from here, because if you are uploading a video tutorial from here, it might be slowing the website down. Just make sure you upload the video on your YouTube and copy the YouTube link and paste it here. That is all. So once you are done with this, just click on download limit. If you want to put a limit, but I won't put a limit because people pay for the course. Let them have the time to download it as many as possible. And if the document expire, will the downloading be expire? No. If they download once, let them allow them to do another time. So, and you come here, you put your long okay, this is where you put your long description, while this is where you put your, let me just copy. Okay, let me use the same thing as long and short. This is where you put your short description. So now you click on, I think if you want to add category, you can just say, okay, create a new category and call it online course. Online course. And click on add name. Click on this add name. How do you want to put it? You want to put it in a parent category, fine. Click on add name. So this is, can you see, this is the online course now. So you just click on publish. If you have any tag, maybe you have product tag, you can put it here. If I don't have any product tag, then just go click on publish. We have published one. So, and we also, because I also want you to know now the product has been published, and let me show you how it's going to look like. Now this is how, oh, I've not put my product image. Sorry. Now this is the product. Just scroll down here and you see product image. Can you see product image and product gallery? Just come here. Let me just upload all the 3D image I download on my website. So let's go back to download, and this is one. So which one is the? Let's wait for them to load. And this is the Facebook ad set. So now I click on upload, update other. So if I come to my Facebook ad course and I refresh, the stuff will have been here. Can you see now? Can you see the product stuff and stuff like that? So I will let me just add more product. Now, what I want to do, another thing I want to teach you guys is I will be teaching you how you can add a bundle product. Maybe for example, you want to sell, maybe you have a course you want to sell, and this course is not just one course. It's a course that contains video, it's a course that contains audio, it's a course that contains images. How do you now how do you go about it? If it is a course you want to sell and you want it to be in one package, maybe you go, okay, let's go ahead. I can just say, okay, I will click on add new products. And just say, um, how to make, how to make money, money online. Wait, what other code? Now see this course. This is one particular course, how to make money online. And I also have another course, digital content creator, or we just say how to make money online with Combo, or it just depends. Some people are advertising maybe like web design course, and they will say, okay, they also have additional course that come with it. So you want to put all the products in one particular single download, that once they click on download, they'll be able to download all the course. Now let's go ahead and let me show you how to go about that. So let me just say, okay, where's the website? Let me copy the product details. How to make money on WhatsApp. And let me just copy the product details. There is it. Control C. And I come to this place. Let me close it. I come to new product. This is my long description. So I'll paste it here. And I'll come to this place. Let me do the short. I'll paste it here. But the short is too long. It's too long. So I just want to. So I think it's okay. Now, don't forget I want to make it a product that is a bundle product. Now, you click on virtual bundle digital products and you click on downloadable. Now, once you click on downloadable, what is the price? This price, because the cost is a bundle, because let's say 50K, but we are giving it out for 20K. Now, the first one you're going to do is that you need to add the file of the first one, or probably you can just put a, you need to add the file of the first one. This is the first one. What is this? What is this one called? I just call this one making money online. Making money online. File URL. Let me just copy one. Do I have any other products? Okay. Let me just copy one file. Upload file. Let me just copy. Let me just upload one file. Documents. Assign it. Or assign it. Let me upload this guy file. And I will use the link inside the URL file. Now the file is, now I now want to add another one again. Now I'll click on another one. Now this one would be digital content creator. What is the file? If you have the file, you can just go to your file again. Let's choose this one as digital content creator also. No, let me use this. I just want to use the URL. Now let us say you have another video again. Just scale this one again. Bonus video. And you come, let's just come to my YouTube channel and copy a video tutorial on how to unlock Canvas Pro. Yeah. How to unlock Canvas.
Stop. Just give me 5 seconds and I guarantee you will be shocked.
How to unlock Canvas Pro.
Okay, so I will stop talking right now. As you
come to this product and
can see, my lips are not moving anymore. Because this was not my voice. This is a text-to-speech voice generator.
So once I put the product in, and that's 3 product now, and I will come to this place, I will allow unlimited download. So I will come to product gallery, and I'll just say, okay, my product gallery is how to make money on WhatsApp. Yeah, and set that the product store. So I will come to this place. What is it? Product categories? I just say making money online. Making money online. And I'll just add a new category, and I will publish the product. Now, after you publish your product now the next thing you need to do is that you need to put your shop. You need to have a shop. If you look at this place, you can see this is just your, can you see the major menu we have. So I need to put the shop here. Automatically, when you install WooCommerce automatically creates some other pages for you by default. So you don't need to worry yourself to create the page. Just scroll down and come to appearance and click on menu. Can you see it? And can you see these are the menu? If you don't like, I don't like this blog page. I don't want blog on my website. So let me just take it. So these are the 4 websites. So I want to add some stuff to it. So I will come to view all. Where do I want to add? I want to add my store shop. And I also want to add my cart. Let me just leave it at show. I will click on. If you want to add cart to it, fine. The cart purpose is that in case when people order for something on your shop, that you go to add to cart. So just for easy way, if you feel like, but I think naturally human beings should be able to know how to use shop. I'll just click on shop and add to menu. So I've actually added to the menu, and I'll click on save changes. Can you see? Click on save changes. And now let's test our stuff. Let's test it out now here. Now let's come to digital goods and let's refresh. Now in our store now, you see, can you see this is our shop? I don't like this position. Let me bring it back to after home. Now let this job come to this particular aspect and save changes. And let me refresh. Now, now if you click on your shop like this, can you see, take it to all your product where you have a product. You can click on the product, you can click on it, and let's just say, let's click on this product. Now, and let's just click on add to cart. We have added to cart, and we can view our cart, and we can make a payment, proceed to checkout. We can just pay through, just place order. Because we are using test mode, so I will change it to test. I will change it from test mode now to another mode. So let's wait for it to show. Now this thing has actually come up. So can you see it's still on that test? So let's go any card. Let me just use this and pay. It automatically pay. Can you see payment? Why do I pick this wrong stuff now? Okay, you see, we have now we have access to download. Now if we click on this download, now it automatically download to our PC. Now can you see I have downloaded now? Let me just click on download. Can you see it has actually downloaded to my PC? So that is just how to go about it. But now I want to change it to normal ATM card. Though I'm not using my ATM card, but I just want to show you so that you can see what I mean. So let me go back to menu, and I will come to click here to disable. But instead of me to click here to disable, I will need to go to my WooCommerce and click on setting. So and I will just go straight to the payment page. This is the page I want to have. I want to enable. And once I take visible, I will come to the page tag, scroll down, I'll come to manage. And I will wait for it to load. Now can you see it's telling me okay now I will disable this test mode disable. Now I need to put in my live secret key and public secret key. I'll just come here and copy the live secret key. This is the live. Just scroll down. Where is it? Now this is my live public key. I will copy it and I will come to this Ecommerce and I will paste live public key. I'll paste it here. It remains live secret key. I'll come to here, my paste tab, and I will copy live secret key. Click on this place. Once I click on this place, it's going to ask me a password. Do I still know my password? Oh God. Oh my God. Let me pause this video and go and see my password. Now I've gotten my password, so I'll just click on copy and I'll come to this particular place and I'll paste here. This is the live secret key. So, and I'll come here and click on save changes. So immediately I click on save changes now. If we come to this our checkout place, let me just go back to the shop and show you something. Okay, before I click on any product, let me create a coupon page. Let's come out to our backend website. Now, can you see this? If you come to WooCommerce, you will see a place called coupon. Can you see? Just click on coupon and wait for it and click on add coupon or create your first coupon. Just click on create your first coupon and just wait for it to load up. Now, what is the name of the coupon? Just say, okay, my coupon code will be deleting. But let's say, it's an option I don't need to do now. I will come and say, okay, is it a fiscal discount? What will make fiscal is that maybe the amount you want to be removing is just a fixed amount. I will just say no. I will just say percentage. And that's what is the coupon amount? Just say let's just say percentage. Let's say 50%. Let's say 20%. 20%. And I will click on publish. Now let's come to our store now. This is our shop now. When you come to your shop, now let's say how much this one is 10k. So 20% of 20k. No, let's say this one is 5k. Okay, let's go for this one. This is so 20% of 20,000 will be 4,000. Yeah. This is what we want to buy. Just click on add to cart. And just say, okay, I want to buy this book. And I will view my cart. And let's say I want to buy one. And I have a coupon code. The price is 20,000 naira. Can you see? And I have a coupon code which is deleting. And I will click on apply. And it automatically reduce my price. Can you see? The coupon code is 20%, which is 4,000 naira of this. It will make 16,000. I hope it gets like that. So I click on proceed to checkout. Don't forget, we are putting our normal stuff now here. Our normal ATM stuff. Can you see now? It's showing it now. Okay. So make payment using your debit card or credit card. Can you see now? Before it's not showing this. So let me click on place order. Now, so let's wait for it to just. Can you see? It's asking for my card number, my card expiry, and here, or if it is transfer. She asked me to generate an account number for me to transfer to. Can you see? What I transferred to this money, I'll click on send the money and that is all. So, but for me, I'm not doing for now. So I'll click on cancel. So I hope by now you should know how you can what's it called? How to set up your product stuff now. Now, another thing I want to teach you in this video is what about if you want to make your website and an e-commerce and a multi-vendor website whereby other people can come to your website and come and upload their product. Yeah, don't forget I told you we're going to be using some plugin. Out of this plugin now, we have used this too. Because this one by default, these are contact of stuff. Now this is the remaining stuff that we need to use, which is the token. So we need to come here. Let's go back to our backend and let's go down to our plugin appearance, install plugin. So this is where we're going to see the list of all the plugins we have installed. And I told you these are the 4 plugins we installed. Start. I forgot to put it. Now we're going to go to what's it called? Add new. Guys, I hope you are enjoying this video tutorial. Please, if you are enjoying it, click on the like button and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share it to your loved one. Please and please, this is what I need from you. Your subscription is what can help me a lot. Please, and I actually appreciate you for staying long on this my YouTube on this video tutorial. Thank you very much. So let's move on. Let's click on admin. And just go down. So let's come to this place and click on token. So maybe you type, it's going to show the plugin here, guys. It is the plugin that we need. Just click on install now. And let's wait for it to. I told you if you want to install, if you want to add any plugin, you need to first install the plugin. And once you install the plugin, you now need to activate the plugin. So I click on activate the plugin now. So once you click on it now, you wait a little bit. Now it's going to tell you that, okay guys, anytime you install Docan, it's going to now first, what is Docan? Docan is a plugin that allows you to add a multi-vendor functionality to your website, to your e-commerce website. It will allow your user to have a dashboard to to upload their product, and if once you approve the product, the product will be visible on your shop store. So let's just go. I believe you know what Docan means now, and let's go now and let's click on let's go. So we just want to do some little setting. Now it's going to ask you this. Just leave it as store. Shipping fee. Who is paying the shipping fees? Is my vendor that will pay the shipping fees. If you like, you can say, okay, I'm the one that will pay the shipping fees. The owner of the website or the owner of the goods, any of the two. So let's leave it as vendor. Who is paying the tax? Is the vendor. So just click on continue. Now in our okay, new vendor enabling sale. Do you want to enable a new vendor to be selling? Of course, yes, I want to enable. Now you say, okay, commission. How do you want your commission? Do you want a flat mean a static amount of money? That is flat. Why the what's it called? The percentage means the percentage on the price of the product. For example, if someone registered to my website and they want to be selling a product on my website, maybe the product is like 10,000 naira. The percentage, and I'm collecting like 30% of the percentage. Let's just say 30%. That means 30% of that 10,000 naira will be my money. But if I'm using flat and I put 5,000 naira, even though if the product is 6,000 naira, me I will get my 5,000 naira. So in most cases, a flat is not okay. So let's just use percentage. So once you click on it, I just say okay. I won't allow vendor to change their order status because this is a business. I will be the one to monitor. The admin will be the one to monitor everything. So I click on continue. So when I click on continue, it's going to load to another place. Are we using PayPal? Enable PayPal for your vendor as the withdrawer. I can just say no. I will use bank transfer for that withdrawal because initially I don't like PayPal. What is the minimum withdrawal limit? Let's say someone sells the product and they want to withdraw their money, because once they sell the product, the money will be reflected on the dashboard. Or if you just put any amount there, let me just say 50,000. 500,000. Order status complete. Okay, yeah. You click on continue, and I think we're about to done. Now they will show you some recommendation, but I've never used them before. I don't know how it works. So they say it's a WooCommerce conversion tracking, but I've never used them. So there's no point installing a plugin that I have not tested before. It's just like wasting my space on my website. So I click on continue. So once you click on continue, come on guys, the site is ready. Can you see your marketplace is ready? Just view. Let's view our dashboard. Now, can you see this is our dashboard now at a glance? You can see the table rate, blah blah blah, and it also have a premium plugin. You feel like going for the premium plugin. These are the things you're going to be getting, but I don't think there's a need for that. At least I'm okay with this. So we don't have vendor yet. So now this one will also create. Now another thing I want to do is that I want to add a dashboard to my menu here, so that if user come, they'll be able to, what's it called? They'll be able to create an account. So I'll just come to this. I'll just come to my place and I'll click on appearance and I'll click on menu. Let me open it in a new tab so that we can be seeing all the changes together. So this is token dashboard. This is the menu we want to do some things, and this is the digital store. Now, let's view all. By default, this docker will create a dashboard for you, and you can my account. Well, WooCommerce will create my account for you, so you can just see the dashboard. But default, this docker will create a default dashboard for you. Just click on add to menu. Now, what I want to do here is that I want my account to be the first, and this dashboard to be the sub menu under this my account, which means anybody come to my website and want to log in. Okay, let me save it and see what I'm talking about and show you what I'm talking about. And I click on refresh. Now can you see my account dashboard like there? Now let me copy this and open a new incognito. Let's say a user come to my website and I was like, okay, I want to register. I was like, wow, I love this site. Come on, look at this site. It's so nice. They want to create an account with me. They just click on this dashboard. Now, once they click on this dashboard, it's going to take them to my account. I think the dashboard should even be the heading here. Why my account should be the sub menu. Well, anyhow, now if I have the account, I can log in. But because I don't have an account, I will just come here and say, okay, my Gmail, let me just use my what can I use here? Let me use okay, let me use no, let me use see, let me copy this and use it. Now it's strong now. Now, do you want to register as a customer or you want to register as a vendor? I want to register as a vendor. Now, if I click on register as a vendor, it's going to show me this drop down where I'm going to fill my name. If it is customer, there's nothing. I will just come here and say, okay, my name is Arida for Michael Sunday. Your shop name, what is your shop name? What am I? My shop name is training. Shop URL, I'll just leave it as training. And I'll click on register. Click on register. Now, I've registered, so I'll just click on, it's going to take me to this place. I can just click on let's go. Now, you can ask me to set up my store or anything like that. I can actually keep all this place, and at the same time, I can just say, okay, store product per page. Let's just say street is okay. My street, let me just put this and country and showing me in my store. Show, continue. I'm registered as an vendor payment. Now, I'll be paying by my bank account. So I'll just put my bank account number, account name. Okay, bank account name. And then that for like I need money. Yeah. Select which account. Is a personal account. Routing number. I don't know which one is routing number. I'm sorry. Let me just search for routing number. I'll just copy. Let me just copy this. See, this is how we used to do it. Sometimes we don't know some things, so we just come online and search for it. Let me put my routing number here and my account number here 0058027553. And I scroll down. Name of bank, Access Bank. And address of your bank. Let me use let me come and share one address center here. I'll just put it here. One, full stop. Bank IBN. Okay. Access Bank IBN. IBN number. IBN number. IBN number for Access Bank. Okay. Control C. What else again? Swift code. I think Swift code. Access Bank Swift code is Access Bank Swift code. Swift code. I'm just putting anything. So this is just the procedure you can, and I attest that I'm the owner of the account. It's telling that, see, check your account information because anything you put there is what they will use to pay money. All this one, this is what matters most to me. My account number, my name, and my access bank. So it's okay. I'll click on continue. Now my shop is ready. So let me click on go to my store. Now this is my store now, and you see now it's showing zero sales. I've not earned anything, page views, stuff like that. Why? Because I don't have anything already. So what I can do now is I can just come to here, product, and let me say, okay, I want to create a product. So I can just say I want to create a product. I see no product for, so let me just say add new product. What is the image of my product? Let me click on the image of the product and click on media. I don't have any image. Let me just come and select. Let me come to this download. I don't even know the image I download. Product. Let me upload all the things. I will be able to see the one I downloaded. One I've used this one. I've used this one. I think this one I've not used. So this one I'm going to use. I will scroll down and say search feature image. What is my product name? I want to double or sales booster. Let me just call it sales booster. What is the price? The normal price, let's just say 50k, no 30k. Schedule price, let me just give you 20k. Do I have any category? I can just say, I just put it under online course. Tag, I don't need to put tag. Okay, let's just say sales. If you don't have Let me play that. Enter short description. I will just okay. Well, let me check my short description on how to do my sales here. Sorry. Guys, I hope you are enjoying this class. So this is the short description. Let's copy it. To see. Let's put it here. And I click on create products. Now, can you see this is my product now? Now, can you see it's showing me the product I created? This is the title. I can still edit it. If I want to edit anything, I can still click on this place and edit it. But I think it's okay now. Now, what I will need to do now is that since it's showing me again, I see, are you okay with this? Do you want to do anything? If I still want to put any purchase note, anything, how many are in stock? If I want to just say out of stock or is in stock. So if I still want to put anything, I can still put it again. But it's telling me. If I'm okay with it, I'll just click on save product. Now, the product is saved. Now, that doesn't mean I'm done with the product. How? It's still showing pending review. Now, as the owner of the website, if I come to my website and I come to this token and probably I click on, let me just click on refresh. And let's switch for it to go. Now the stuff has actually loaded. Can you see now? It's showing that we have one vendor now in our store, and we have 4 products, stuff like that. So now this vendor, who is the vendor? Is the other guy who registered here, this guy. Now, okay, now note the product is still showing pending. Yeah, because as an e-commerce store owner, you need to view your product to see that everything is in line. So you just come to your product and click on all products. So when you click on all products, you'll be able to see all the new products. Can you see this is a new product now? Who is the owner of this product? The author is, sorry, let's go down. This is the author. This is the new guy that just registered. So can you see? This is the new guy. This is the one I upload by myself. I think this one is a mistake. Let me just delete it. Trash. I don't want this. Now, if you look at this guy, the product that this guy upload, is still writing pending. Can you see pending? So you click on edit because you need to go through the product to see what the product is all about, and if you feel like approving, you approve. Now, you've seen it, okay? Just check it. Save product. What is save product all about? Okay. It doesn't have a long description. Yes, it won't have, but it has a short description. That's okay. You can do anything here, and okay, this is the product. How much is the price? He's selling it 30,000, about the regular price 30,000, about the sales price is 20,000. Okay, good. And after looking at it, if you are okay with it, you can publish. And once you publish from your own side, the product will be reflecting in your, can you see? The product is now published. Now, if you come to this other guy's account, it's still showing pending, and you click on refresh. Can you see the product is now online? So and if someone can come, and if you want to order something, you can come. No order as fun. If anybody order, let us say anybody order for your product, you can come. You can view your store. Open a new tab. You can view the store from here and come to this place. Can you see this is details about you, and this is the product you have only uploaded on your site. So if you want to put your image, fine, you can do that on your own site. Now, if you come to it, that means someone has come to this shop and bought this food. Let me just show you let's assume someone now come to this shop. If you come to this shop now, you see that the product will be cheating now because someone has uploaded. Can you see? Blah blah. So if someone purchases this course now, and they pay, now you view their cart, view the cart rather, and the person just pay. Let's say this one you don't want it again. This is the only product you want to buy. But it's a pity that I will not be paying. Okay, let us mean that I want to pay. Let me just use another method of paying. Although I won't pay, I'll just say I've paid. And this is, I'll just say, okay, please order. And I will do transfer. It's just a fake transfer. Of me, I'm not transferring anything. This is just for tutorial sake. I'll just say transfer and I'll click on I have sent the money. So that I know these people are not full. So if they did not say they confirm, it will not go. We are waiting to receive your transfer. This take in blah blah blah. So since I didn't send anybody, so I won't waste my time. So if the payment received is gone, it's done successfully, you will see on your own, the customer will see on his own dashboard that someone has purchased a product. The customer will see on his own dashboard that someone has actually purchased a particular product, and stuff like that. So, and that is just how can you see someone has viewed your page? It's showing someone person has viewed your page and stuff like that. So that is just how it goes. I believe you really enjoyed this tutorial. So this is where I believe by now. Okay, let me show you something. There's one aspect I have not touched, which I would like to touch before I go. Let me just close it. And which is the contact us page. Now, this is the contact us form page. Let me show you in case you want to edit it. So let me close all this. Let me close this. Let me close this. And let me just click on open. Now, if you want to edit your contact us page, you will see that this contact us page is just a code, and I will show you the code. So you see all this send message. If you click on this particular place, it's just a code, and this is the code. This is just the form, and we have a lot of form. But by default, this form has been created for you through the help of WP. This, I told you we'll be needing some plugin which I show you here, and this is WP form. And as you install the template, it come as the template will install everything that relates with the template. Both plugin, both content, the template will install everything for you. And that is why we see, can you see this is the WP form here? And you can click on all form. And you realize that this is the form, this is the newsletter, this is the simple contact form, and the simple contact form is what you are seeing here. When you click on your Elementor and you click on here to edit, the simple contact form is what you are seeing here. If you want to use newsletter, you can use newsletter. If you change the position, can you see it has changed its position? If you want to change it back to contact form, just leave it like that. So now, if you want to edit anything, just click on this place. It will show you where you can edit it. For like this one now, I can just say okay. Now, let me explain this for you. This info, these two things maybe now. I want to put the two mail here. Let's just say info at delede.com. Now, if I remove this break, that means I cut it. Can you see they join together? Now, this break is what separate. Let me paste it back. This break is what this code. This is the code BR is a coding that separate, that break this information to the bottom of this page that makes it to be like this. So I can also call this place uh, contact at gmail.com. Now can you see them now? Now if you want to edit any places, you can just come here and click on this thing and type what you want to write there. Type it there. You can come here, click on this place. Once you click on this place, it will show here. Type anything. Click on this place, it will show here and type anything here. This is the social media button. Click on this button. Just click on them. Click on this pencil. Once you click on it, it show you them and click on this page. Put your link here. Your Instagram link, put it here. Close it again. Close it again. Come to Facebook. Put your link here. Close it. Come to YouTube. Put your link here. Close it. And come to Twitter. Put your link there and double close it. If you don't want Twitter, delete it and update. That is all. So that is how you can that is how to go about everything. If you refresh now, you will see everything has been, these two things have been changed here. Can you see now? So that is just how to go about it, and that is just all. Now if you have any question or you have any issue, you can actually reach out to me on 09035382271. Like I usually say, I do tell people that, see, in this business, this web design business, it is our joy to do what? To make sure you become a professional. The reason why we are staying awake in the middle of the night just to make sure we do a video tutorial is because we want to make you guys to become professional. Our desire is not money. If it is money, we can just say, okay, come and buy our premium course. But our desire is to make sure that people are getting value. We want to add value to people around us, and that is why we are creating this video tutorial to help you to become better in your web design skill. And another thing is that to be said, if you want to achieve more in this web design skill, if you want to design in a unique way, in a way that people begin to marvel and say, wow, how do you do this thing? See, you need Jesus. I must sincere to you. Many a times that I will get a job and I won't know how to go about it because the job is too big for me. And maybe probably during my night, maybe I'm just sleeping or I just make a prayer and God will begin to give me ideas and how to design it. See, my brother, you need Jesus Christ for you to be different, for you to live a different life, for you to live a successful life, for you to live a glorious life. You need to give your life to Jesus. You need to accept Jesus Christ into your life, irrespective of your religious. Religious cannot save a man, whether you are a Christian or a Muslim or the other way around. It can't save you. The only thing that can save you is Jesus Christ. It is through the name of Jesus Christ that you can be saved. And that is the reason why there's a need for every one of us to give our life to Jesus Christ so that we can enjoy the best. And I pray the Lord will continue to be with you more and more in Jesus' name. If you want to reach out to me, probably you want to discuss something with me, or probably you want me to pray with you, you can just call me on 09035382271, or just send a mail to me or through my website. So thank you very, very much. I'm very grateful to have you here. God bless you. I sincerely love you. And I want to inform you that by this coming Saturday, the leading will be 2 years old. We started 2020, June 20 or 25, 2020, and currently now we are 2022. By this coming Saturday, my business will be clocking. My business will be clocking 2 years in practice. So I want to go to the say we are trajectory now. So by 25, which is Saturday, we'll be clocking 2 years that we have started the web design. So you can celebrate with me. Thank you very, very much. Have a wonderful day ahead of you. God bless you.